So here I have the Wahl Cordless Magic Clip. So here are my thoughts on by far probably the most popular clipper in the entire world. If you're a barber, this is a must-have tool for you. I get asked all the time, if you had to pick just one clipper, which one would it be? And I would safely say it's the Cordless Magic Clip. This is the one clipper that I always take with me everywhere I go. Its ability to do anything that I need to do in a time-efficient manner is the reason why I choose it to be my #1 clipper. From haircuts to beard trims, you can believe that this will plow through thick or thin hair. The magic of this clipper lies within the blade. The stagger tooth is unique to this one clipper. It helps create seamless transitions from one length to another. It's got an ergonomic design and fits beautifully in your hands. It's got a sturdy lever and a sturdy switch, and a loop at the bottom so that you can hang your clipper upside down. That way oil doesn't drip into the motor. It also comes with this blade protector clip. For those of you who like zero gapping your blade, this blade can be zero gapped. It has a very powerful rotary motor. In the box, there's also this heavy duty charging cable. It has a plug on the back which you can simply swap, because this clipper is a universal clipper and can be used worldwide. The plug fits very securely and doesn't fall out while in use. Right-handed or left-handed people can both use this clipper comfortably. It is equipped with a high-quality lithium-ion battery which can last up to 90 minutes per charge. To prolong the battery life, I recommend charging it only when it dies. So here are some more goodies that the clipper comes with. We have our 1.5 and our 0.5 guard. We have an oil and a little cleaning brush. We have all of the guards from 1 to 8. It's missing a number 5 guard, but it's got everything else. And just a few other little things that it comes with, the warranty card and some instructions here. Now this comb, it's super unique. I love this comb. It's a clipper comb, and if you look at the bottom, there's a little line right there. This line, it helps for the clipper to glide in very smoothly. So here you can see me demonstrate that. I always recommend putting the protector guard back on when the clipper is not in use. If you're having issues with the hair clipper pulling, it might be a simple fix. You may simply need to just align your blades correctly according to the manufacturer's settings. Check out the blade alignment tutorial for tips and tricks. If you have a stiff taper lever, I also show you how to adjust that. Overall, this is one of my favorite clippers and I highly recommend it. It's a top selling clipper and every barber has one. This clipper can also be docked. Try one out and I'm sure you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching today's Wise Barber unboxing tutorial and stay tuned for the next one.